Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the account and the device so payments are seamless. On your iPhone, open Wallet and tap Plus, then add the card details. This verifies your bank and prevents declined transactions. Once done, open the Watch app, go to Wallet and Apple Pay, and add the same card to your Apple Watch so it stores a secure token. This step links devices securely and lets you pay without your phone. Make sure both devices have the same Apple ID and recent OS. Now you'll practice the core steps for making a payment with your Apple Watch. Wake the watch and double-click the side button to open Wallet. Swiping selects the active card. Hold the watch face close to the card reader until you feel a tap or see done. This confirms the transaction. If prompted, enter your watch passcode or authenticate via wrist detection. This keeps payments secure. Once you master the motion and timing, contactless purchases become faster than digging for a card or phone. To finish, validate the transaction history in Wallet on the watch or iPhone and manage cards from the Watch app. Remove or re-add a card to refresh its secure token if needed. Make sure both devices run the latest OS because mismatched software can block new cards or payments. If a card still fails, contact your bank to confirm the card is enabled for contactless and mobile wallets. A common quick fix: restart both devices and retry. That resolves most NFC or syncing hiccups immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.